In this video, guys, I want to talk about how to deal with stubborn, foggy or hazed headlights. Now, historically, when I have had foggy and hazed headlights, I would use this Diamond Clear headlight restoration kit, and it's pretty decent. It has these pads that you put on a drill, and you add the compound to the pads. You just move across with your drill. And historically, I've had really good results. But with the Honda, we have a Honda 05 Honda Element. It has hazed up headlights. And unfortunately, I just could not get that haze to go away. I think it was based upon the level of oxidation, age, the hardness of the plastic. It just would not, I could not get it to clear up. And I know people use toothpaste and different things, but nothing was working. And as you can see in the photo, it is quite hazed over. So what I did is I basically got some wet dry 600 sandpaper. So this is the wet dry 600 sandpaper by Matador, made in Germany. But the reality is you can get, any kind of like 600. And you just start rubbing the 600 on there really good. And as you do that, it's going to totally haze over. I mean, massively haze over. But that's okay. Because then what you're going to do is after about 10 minutes of doing that, you're going to go ahead and use 1500. And that's what I used for about 5 to 10 more minutes of sanding. I used 1500. And what's going to happen is it's going to get kind of smooth, really smooth looking. It's going to still be a little bit hazy, but it's going to be nice and smooth. So again, make sure it's nice and clean. Use glass cleaner. Make sure it's nice and clean. Use the 600. Use the 1500. And then you want to ceramic coat. You want to ceramic coat the headlights. And I use Armor Shield. This is the stuff that's recommended by Sweet Project Cars, who's terrific. I mean, Mike with Sweet Project Cars is awesome. So anytime I can plug that guy's channel, I always do it. But anyway, Armor Shield is a very high quality ceramic coating. You just dab a little bit on and this is very important, dab a little bit on a microfiber, okay? And then you're just going to wipe it on so you have a nice, thin coat. I did 2 coats. And usually when you use ceramic coating, like when I use the Armor Shield for the paint, I usually put it on, wait about 5-10 minutes. Mike can show you how to do that in his videos. He's better with it than me. But then you're going to buff it off after maybe 10 minutes when it's starting to haze a little bit. And then you just let it dry overnight. And your car is going to be, that paint is going to be ceramic coated. And this can last up to like 3 to 5 years. But for headlights, what I found out, and this is really important, guys, a major tip right here. After you put it on the headlights, do not try to buff it off. Okay, when I tried to buff it off, it became foggy or hazy again. And so what I learned is that you're just going to put on like 2 coats, almost kind of wet. The ceramic coating is going to go over the lenses, kind of wet. And then you're just going to let that dry. Let it dry for, a couple hours if you can, longer if possible, maybe overnight if possible. In the next picture, I want to show you the result. It is a dramatic improvement. I mean, I'm not saying it looks brand new, but you can see that the headlights look a lot better in this photo. And this is not still wet. This is a long time later, and it's totally dry now, but it still looks so much better. And it has continued to look that much better today. And the ceramic coating, guys, will continue to protect your headlights from oxidation. That's the great thing about ceramic coating your headlights. I've done it on our Kia, when they were really great condition, and they're still in really great condition. The car has over 100,000 miles on it. And so it's very important to keep it from oxidating, and the ceramic coating is really key to that. So anyway, that is a way to deal with really problematic or stubborn, foggy headlights that are faded or have oxidation on them. It worked for me. I just wanted to pass this along to you guys, and I hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.